walk with my blood clot pussy, cause me don't even like blood clot fuck. Any man when me there with them can tell you. Okay? Cause me a talk about. You don't want fuck no because you fuck out your blood clot latitude. I'm the wrong bitch. I tell you the girl me come from. Me telling you every day me can be nice. Me can be blood clot nasty. Yeah, but this is one blood clot. Tivoli, get a girl. Whatever education, so come talk to me nice. How it go? Talk to my blood clot, sweet. Sit here. Sit up on the wall. Wait, say. Wait, Salava. Masters in Business Administrator. Go suck out your blood clot, big pussy. Wet. Come talk to me. Come talk up to me. Come talk up to me. I mean, I'm a good, nice blood clot job. 24 and a half years. Only can't keep no man, much less to keep a blood clot job. After almost 5 years, me I'm blessed there. I want to the man where they are prison. I want him. Him call me every blood clot there. And what? And what? Vincent Park, tell them Ratty. Vincent Park and 31 Wilterly Drive me come from. At Tivoli. Yeah. Wanna have something? Wanna live somewhere? Make sure when you run the blood clot 5 lava. Me never depend this because when you add a certain individual, I cannot see what's going on over there. Okay? Okay. My fans them call me and tell me what's going on. So me come for address. Only run the problem. Only live blood clot somewhere. Only need to find a pot for pissing and a window for blood clot through. Run my blood clot file and run it good before they can blood clot come. Cause if you look a blood clot, dirty fuck them when me take, me can run them blood clot back. And that's even one man when me fuck, me and them don't have a problem. From Sean Sharp to Gucci, anybody can call my blood clot phone because my file blood clot good. So when you come good. Because this girl is good. Yeah. I'm going to walk on my blood clot. Ask me good dirty blood clot money. Yes, what else you don't want to know? What else you don't want? So know this. Lava, you have so much fire stock and take fuck all over in a blood clot. New York City, Connecticut, blood clot, New Jersey. Everyone going to left blood clot footprint. My footprint only leave from right as I go a blood clot, New York City. Fuck off and fuck uno. Uno walk and fuck like dog and still not have nothing. Show your wet there. Show your piss up there as Munchi would and say. Most people come over here and come talk up. Uno don't get my boy stirred over this blood clot. You hear me?
Alright, Vinnie, calm down, Vinnie. Vinnie, please, Vinnie, calm down.
Do not draw me out. Do not draw me out. Yes, Nikki, Florida, my blood clot place, but I keep all the yard me come from. Yeah. This is one educated.
No.
Get up, girl. Talk up. Because I can't tell everybody say me them uneducated, but you can't blood clot tell me that because guess what? See my blood clot degree there on my wall. Talk to me nice. And the doctorate dropping soon. Talk to me sweet. Yeah. What do you know about me? What do you know about me? See them never did that for fix up. For blood clot come wait me. Right in as all of the action them take place. Vinnie's authentic cuisine. When a blood clot up on Sundays, go look on it. Yeah. And like me say, no restaurant in Florida can cook like me. And I want sick when me name from seafood weekend can tell you. I want set of people where them post them blood clot food. My mouth drip like a blood clot dog. Come in and walk and yummy.
Alright, Vinnie. Vinnie,
yes. I'm a money good. I'm in a walk on mine, man. I'm in a buy fuck. What else do you know about me?
Vinnie, stop now, Vinnie. Vinnie, stop now.
Me no fucky. That I one thing them can't say.
Vinnie, stop now, Vinnie.
No, me not stop. Me never trouble her. Me come in on the forum just like everybody else, but them send out my blood clot file because them think them have my blood clot file.
Pussy clot.
But guess what? My grandmother always say, it's not every dog bark. You them need a reaction. So sometimes when you see the little puppy them, a laba, you just make them go on. Because guess what? I worry for them hungry dog, me feed a Florida. Enough hungry dog, me feed a blood clot Florida. But me can't call blood clot name. Enough for una me feed a blood
No
clot.
call a name. No call a name. No call a name.
Enough for them me feed a Florida.
No call a name,
Vinny.
Vinny.
Them can't say Vinny no homeless a blood clot. Never did and never will. Me buy my first house in Florida when me a 19 blood clot year old. Go Google my blood clot name. Yeah. Go Google my name. Me never buy a fuck. Them run the file. I guess them never run it good. Or them must never think that me that gonna react to it. Sometimes I just see things and make it past me because I'm a good blood clot job where I have. I know the consequences will come behind it. Yeah. But me just know certain things, but me not gonna make a dark shit feel like something important over here like when I come back. Why you never answer Munchie a while ago? But guess what? Me a 44 this year, and me know say you know blood clot look like good like me. 44 this year. And see then a wrinkle in my blood clot face. Me never come over here with no makeup on. Me show my blood clot. Let me turn on the light. 44 November 14. Yeah. November 14, 19 blood clot 76. Yeah. And them couldn't do 1,000,000 surgery. Them need to go surgery upon them all. Them have them surgery that we in a lava. Because you couldn't fix your breast. You couldn't fix your body. But guess what? One thing, some of the cosmetic surgery them can do and fix them blood clot face and them all. Yeah. Yeah, Friday lobster, everything there. Everything is here Friday. Yeah, and Saturday. Yeah, love, talk to them about the good food. Yeah, Vinnie's authentic cuisine. My information there from my Facebook. From our going over here to IG. Yeah. Girl, nice and clean. When you couldn't do 1,000,000 surgery, you can't fix the hole we done out because from when you're 15, 16, you walk, that's your blood clot belly. And I fuck from here to there, right there. I know which part me left my footprint them. Yeah. And I know which part my pussy stop. Some of the pussy long like blood clot train. Then your moon sit a while ago. Not even the dead man the blood clot want you. I have boy I cry all blood clot over girl. Bye love, but tell them don't get me started because my mouth no blood clot nice.
All right.